So when me I do, as a mother, me I take my pitney from up there, and me I put her in a private school. You understand what me I say? Better me spend every cent what me have. Move her in September. She go in a private school. You understand what me I say? So she can dey run some. Remember, you know, who you go round, you know. Bird of a feather, them a go flock together, you know. So she got one decent school. She a go have more decency, more better English. You understand? That's not true, Chanel? Better speaking. You understand what me I say? So, last night her father called me and tell me if I move her. And a private school this time, my father saying want her to go. Because you see what me see in this world, yeah, so long as people are work on social media, we're not ready to take you out from people pitney. So when you see people on the media and a idle we are idle and money we are look. But you don't have a problem because you found a bad mind and wicked. Me take my eye and soon come off for so much people. So it's not about a video alone. It's about just wicked and bad mind. You understand what I say? And uno decide so uno fi go off for people pitney at the end of the day. But remember, no for uno have pitney, all crosses. And no for uno don't even care about uno pitney, but uno come out and talk about people pitney. No for uno don't even know what uno pitney then there. At night time and evening time. You understand what I say? No joke about that. Right? But uno have suggestion to talk about a person child. What you want me to say? Alright.
A lip glass too.
Yeah, man, thank you. A lip glass. Looking nice. So if you protect my little cubbies and feel like you can hurt me through my pitney, may I take her from up at the school. I will have everything on video. Me tell people if you go watch it on WhatsApp. Who have my WhatsApp number? Them see the video. The video was so cruel. I'm not lie to you. Tears run out of my eye. I not sleep last night. Tears run out of my eye. For see how much pitney they on my daughter. But she manage herself and she angle herself. And I love that she's a warrior and she not back down. And I love that about her. And that I love about my pitney. You see me? Because even when them have her upon the ground, I see she get up and go give one of them one blurt not box in her face, yeah. A gang on a gang her, because I know say 1-1. You never did not go get through. So Zoe is a little warrior. No play with her. You understand me? Say, well, I don't have to come down upon her 7-1 because of her mother. When the girl box her in her face, you what the girl say? Eh? Your mama, where they pan video. So me never did know so I send on a pitney come to school for come learn about me, Annie. And me they pan the blackboard. Right? And me uno send on a pitney come to school for come learn about. You understand me? I say social media don't have nothing to do with this. You get me? Right? So we're gonna see how it go play out because I am angry. When I say me vex, you don't even know. Me vex. You see all the boy are from Falkland when they am country. A country they did their seat, you know. Well, you see, because no for them taxi money are grind them. Whole heap of them taxi money from Falkland are grind them off and feel them up. You see me? You see all the girl where they sit down and Zoe, big old fat girl. A little girl, no in a grade 7 she now. But you don't know, so when them don't get feel up and touch up, you know. You see me? Them ripe. So, the driver stand up there and see the whole thing. And the driver did a watch a fight. You understand me? I say country. Me know country from Falkland. And Falkland I come from too. You did it and you see girl gang me daughter. You's a wicked blood clot man. So one time I see you, I come to you, Annie. Because you sit actually 3 to how much pitney. Because at that time about 3 of them they pan the ground. And you's a big man, you know, go there and say and pull away. You did it first and when you see say look bad, you go there no act like you're a part fight. You understand me? I say, I'm not afraid of none of uno. You see me? Me have my mouth for tell you what me have to tell you. So, I just go make sure, say, she done her exam. I'm take her from the school. Yeah. I just make sure, say, she finish her exam and take her from the school. That's my whole plan. So she can have a life. You understand? So she can have a life. Right? She deserve to have a life. She deserve to see the future. You understand me? When people, hey,